Ebusian for Sammy Yamam Aquaba Eba Ens Media so. Sammy Sonia subscribe the Bomodian server subscribe now old notification bell also at on and anytime you ever post the Bibino. The Bibira will be our Sabaka with me Aka Ebusian on the Bibiati Miakosi. Na ye Monday. Aye Christian Atsu ensem na ba ye no take for SK ye see ya aye Christian Atsu ye di nechi ya hwe na information e bi ba o kira ye se nye no kre ene ye se bi aba se ye hu no na o ti ase later on e bi aba kra se ye hu no kra no nene ye the update fresh one authentic ene ye de bro entitam chuku na ye fa adwumadi no emre na ensem na ba ye no ti say Porter we tro na we are tro ye hu nie no kre na bra Obama which means on we di insem ye tie pa Sadiq Adams we di insem ne tie pa ene no wa ha all the details no brain na bibia timi akoye kama ade ama ye nti men kasa bebre kra no yenko ye me bra Obama ho na ontimi fa insem na aka no nyina emfa mmaye na bibia entimi enkoso kama enti oba Samri una data senior crowd. So my
I'm saying man for the draw now about Christian Atsu. Everyone is worried.
Yeah.
Everyone is worried. And ne family in Kwa.
Of course.
But money the very important people are affected. But Ghana for worried. And Atsu so Kwa every other person under the rebels. Especially Ghanaians are almost so crew num obia ye feel for my family. Meaning what the situation is, what you have gathered now. But the reason why a lot of people have shied away, including a lot of top media houses, among reporting on that true situation, no, is because of the fact that ne club say a lot of media houses including the BBC and let me state this clear. Since the Atsu incident happened, me so worried since this Atsu incident. Dana Mete say one Moroccan lady and a day the phone actually me say there is an earthquake in Turkey. I think at a breakfast na me kra minim.
And a week pepe.
Yes.
Monday.
Na it happened on Sunday, if I'm right. I think this is Sunday and
Monday. I was almost ahead of us, you know.
Only did 3 hours. So you fan say you only did Ghana 4 hours or so. I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. And so when it happened, me say, hey, earthquake was Turkey, but obia adwan day. So then the Atsu angle came in suddenly, and the first person I called when this thing happened said Bibi Eto Achua was Nana,
which is Atsu manager.
Nana is a very good friend in London. Me call London very good on a drive for me around.
Oh, wow.
Whatever you eat on a manager for Atsu.
Okay.
Nana. And if I know London, a lot of places it's because of Nana. And so many players are minim or managerial Ghanaian players, including Atsu. Now what I knew, they say even Saudi Arabia Atsu Koi, and I was talking to him, Atsu Nankasa, for a long time while he left there, came to Ghana. When he was in Ghana, I was talking to him. We were chatting and all that. I was supposed to meet him before he left for Turkey. And Mete asem no. The first person was to test Atsu.
Okay.
Me texted na anko and I me try WhatsApp call and so anye den anko. The second person was to contact Nana.
Okay, the manager.
Yeah, because and yes, me name so a manager. He's somebody I know, and very good guy. Na obi awakuma papa and yes, or manage players. The players that he manages, they will tell you say he's not managing them because of a profiting. He will go every length. Nana will go every length.
Good deal.
To do what? And that's for players. Even for me, Bibi will here be and Nana will go every length to do for you.
Fantastic.
And when I sent him a message, and honestly said this is what he's heard. Now he's following up.
Okay.
But on a club, on one say, on a official agent for Atsu.
Okay.
Nti bibi ebesi bia no, not even his family.
Okay.
Ono na yedebe fan so.
The club deals with.
The club will deal with Nana directly. I don't know, but Atsu picture on Nana or sign deal with no on Nana. Or a lot of them don't know Nana. Nana Seche.
Okay.
But we just call him Nana. Nana.
Okay.
So Menena Nakasa say, what is the situation? And I say, oh, this is what he's also been told. But then he's following up on a club no communication.
Okay. Anti opeso hu how
exactly. Opeso hu the ekoso.
Okay.
So I decided say I will keep in touch with Nana instead because Onona and he's confirmed to me that this is what has happened. Okay. Atsu is one of the people affected. So I was on a bus in Morocco, like 1 hour time after Semenena Kasai. Then Nana got back to me and said, this is the detail he's gotten. So the first information I put out about Atsu, a lot of people didn't even know where he was staying, whether he was safe. So Nana was telling me details as in Atsu from the club. Or 20 story apartment. But not our 9th floor. With 9 other players and the 2 officials. There were other players from his team on other floors. But Atsu is on the 9th floor. This is how you look for him. Details. So I was the first person to put out this detail. And it can only be from the club. Because me ni take ho na ni take ho. Nti obi a owo club no de beka say, okay, or you affected. We are looking for him. So this is the information we give to the rescue team. Okay. How many people did you have in this apartment? The Renaissance apartment now, 9th floor. 9th floor now, one 9 other people, 2 officials. One of the officials has been rescued. One player who was rescued was also on the 9th floor. Then there is another person on the 1st floor who was rescued. But there is one official trapped, sporting director with Atsu and others. Nti enye Atsu nko na bia player or yet trapped. So this is what he told me. Then 9:30 p.m. Moroccan time. I was at dinner. Every 1 hour, acha na me friend na me texting say Nana any updates. And me put information about Atsu. What I do is that I indicate Nana is not somebody who likes media attention. And I didn't be say Nana, is this something I can put out because Ghanaians are also very pensive, waiting to hear news. So be I worried because the guy is good. Also, this is what I've heard. This is what I've heard. So I put the information and I can say, oh, from the management. And it's not like ubetimi akbo utima kasa Atsu on 9th floor. Why you say unti hobby. And if you indicate and Nana is on all the platforms. Atsu management, if what I put out was wrong, they can easily say, we have not said anything. But then I said, this is what was going on. 9:30 p.m. Moroccan time. Then news came. I got in touch with Nana Namebusa and said, there has been a report by Bola from Portugal. Say he has been found. And this report is 2 hours ago, 1 hour, 2 hours ago. That report has been put out by another journalist. Honestly, very credible. I think he works for CNN or so. Say, but I don't want to put any information out. I'm not there. 1 hour. So it was not the first news about Atsu has been found. The report from Ebola was even copied around so many websites, and including a journalist also put it out. But then I said to me, until I get information from Nana, or what direct contact with the club, I will not put out. Then I contacted him. Nana said, okay, yes, we have also gotten news from player about Atsu team. No, the teammate say they have rescued him. Like news now what? Men so player about team now menene Kasawakache say they have rescued him. And I've gotten in touch with the club and expect them to put a statement to this soon.
Official way.
Yes. because player na owo ho bi na we say ye Atsu no obo team no
okay.
make us sign contract na bia owo ho onene obi a oni Atsu ye fine okay. Na Darius me na we ye adwuma wo ha unfortunately something I see na obi afre wo na o ka say oh ye Obama but bia angel for the news beba okay. Officially say ye no na ye ho ba bi owo yeah. Enti wo betima communicate a kire obi say wo na wo ha yeah. Say wo kan news ne kire nipa no so be communicate say we official of angel
of course
and you can put that one yeah. So even the news has been out say yeah and na wa confirm say ni ne teammate nso a confirm ya kire say yeah dia and then let's all be happy okay. Na ye magana for nso akomantom okay. So the communication was that Atsu's management have gotten information from a teammate of the club okay. Say yeah that was to corroborate a reporter Abba okay. From the management, but they were waiting for an official statement from the club. From that 10 p.m. anajono Ebabe see the next morning 6 a.m. no message from the club say you huna na you huno nti it was against the news say you huno and you huno even though credible papers had reported yeah. And journalists had reported no the management also got the information and no na me put you in out
yes
that's Nana in black
okay
mo amoshe TV no the manager no the agent official agent then 6 a.m. the official news that we were all waiting for from Turkey club no be confirmed said they have found Atsu and taking him to hospital
yeah.
Further corroborating that story abano okay. Say afedie statement na ye twen no aba ye hu no
vice president
yes. Of the club any yeah. Manager yes. Of the club omo nyina be confirm so na akoye say 10 p.m. na bola story ne ba be 6 p.m.
okay
7 8 9 even after 3 hours na me so menya information from Nana me put in out until 10 p.m. no baby see the next morning 6 a.m. no there not just an inconsistency because people were saying say club on for official statement in mind until no money
okay
until Atsu has not been found until koyesa wo true say Atsu has been found who chantro
yeah
6 a.m. na club on the statement by say they have found him and taking him to the hospital the same reporter
yeah
Abba
exactly
a night before well then if Atsu is found 6 a.m. then the next morning 8 a.m. Nana told me say Oko Turkey
okay
because he was even supposed to Nana was supposed to go to Hataya
okay
the day before the earthquake.
Wow,
that was what he told me. And he knew or he doesn't know. So his flight was cancelled. I don't know what happened because maybe the earthquake.
Okay.
Until now we're booking a flight not okay. Because of anything. Okay. But after the earthquake, the flight was cancelled. Originally. Then 26 hours after he has been found officially by the club. Now in this world, say oh yeah, Juma Angel FM na same siwa na Angel FM management beka say yehu Obama na Darius. Why BM ne beti me deny?
Nobody. They have direct contact with you.
No, omo nanim no.
Yes.
Omo nanim baby ote. Omo nanim rescue team. Omo na war field. Nti journalists now try what take say he has not been found no.
Yeah.
Enti e ma controversy ne ba say yehu no no ne manager ne te ye. Ono asa betray obiem say now he has been found. Yes. Ne club ne the official statement na mo kanaba he has been found. 26 hours later, then the same club comes to say he has not been found. So we are journalists, how can you report on this issue? I would say the whole controversy around the Atsu matter has been from the club, and also I will admit, say we underestimated the magnitude of the so because time I report say yehu no now more yehu way until with now over 25,000 people are dead. Yeah. People underestimated, and we are all not disaster reporters. And because of me personal relationship I be am work with Atsu.
Okay.
And the manager.
Yeah.
And me feeling so worried. The day it happened, they were hotel. I was near have lunch.
Okay.
Me tell you, nobody could talk to me because you know, say, how can this thing happen to a player? Ebia, he put the goal on his status. Now me comment here, nice goal. And I do now. Oh, what's up?
Last minute goal, no.
Last minute goal or share ya or the pon board. Now, Adia Betchina we be sinti me, I was deeply worried knowing his manager, somebody who like takes care of me when I'm in London.
Okay.
Any Achuno as a player, menen work constant and I menen work communication. Until me worried, but to minim how to put it, but to mitigate me pains, you know, make us say, oh, Nana Mohuno, Nana say, oh, Matisse say, Nancy, until the omotrani ampa, me cry be or one a club ma catch him. Then you can put out. The next morning, the club comes to say he has been found. The other morning again, after 26 hours, club when say no. If you are a journalist, how can you report? Until Obia Yedino. Because even the club that he plays for, they are conflicting.
Yeah.
And people are worried. People are sincerely, genuinely worried.
Sure.
So it's not like any journalist is interested in putting out news.
That is not
if I put out news say he has been found, I will be glad to say and only news I may expect.
Of course.
I'm not looking for any other news. I will always be looking out for until Bibi Abana contrary to he has been found. I will not be part. That's not what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
So this is the whole thing. Club Bonankasa Obono. There are people in the club who have officially come out, put out official statement to journalists. Press for Asia. Mose ye huno. Ade achin biema. Mose ye huno. Nti bu ye journalist na Ghana ha. How can you report on this again? This morning I was talking to Nana.
Okay.
Just like 1 hour ago.
Okay.
And was it on Sunday or Saturday? Saturday. And Nana ye breb. Nana could do her on Friday.
Yeah.
Club ni nyina ye movie o maba Istanbul.
Okay.
Ne club no mo ya find your money officials ne de o maba Istanbul. Na say aeroplane kura and flying ko Hataya. Omo airport ni nyina has been completely destroyed.
Okay.
Enti ubetima ko Hataya ho just say all the chopper and how de be ko ho. Chopper helicopter. Enti Nana no ne club officials no akọ Hataya ho. Akọ Renaissance.
Okay.
Building ho no omako ho.
Bibi adnisi ye no.
Na omo started say omo yi no. Afa de Nana no wo ground. Ya ha na atuna oda edan na bu. Ogina ho bi.
Okay.
And omo started rescue no.
Okay.
From Saturday night up till this, they are still doing the rescue. So see, Amate say blue one company be almost good rescuers.
Okay.
Almost akwadua. Yes. 140 hours or so since the incident happened. Some of them, including babies, are being rescued alive. The only thing I hope for, and they say, I rescue our brother alive.
Exactly.
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, kanipa omo ball omo ya adoye enra na mene one Black Star player O2 akọ.
Okay.
Okoto an career so oba Ghana oko mene ne edin komo airport ansa na obekọ na oka chere me say that time cross started so obo Black Star na Atsu abokakra.
Okay.
Na obi de beto na nim say ne ba $12,000 surgery. Na ono so say afi no started boy kra wo nche den niska. Ti woni Atsu din komo wo airport.
Okay.
Omo nyina ebetu no ka say yi nya easy obi de abetu na nim say ne ba $12,000. That time na Atsu kra ye young ba wa boy na kakra. Oso omo ye check-in wie ya na Atsu ne two car airport. Omo nko hospital ho na omo nko solve ansa na oba be fa ne flight. Otua $12,000. That time
nipa na bisa no
there be or the cover player for so na player na say or no there oni say scan but nipa no so yare the hospital young patient omo free airport achukotua scan ma omo $12,000 and na all catch me say e kan nipa omo bob bra or Black Star omo bo nipa nti omo nyina player who say Wakasu was told say he's been found.
Yeah.
Nti anadwo na me de to ho no. Sada na is a nipa o close to they told everyone say he's been found before the next morning.
And that story broke.
But we hope for the best.
Exactly.
They are still at the grounds. The owner of Atsu's residence, or a foreigner, nka odwane every country no menra. Emsa apartment no was some deficiencies kakra. Bia insurance and other things. Omache no.
Okay.
Our Istanbul airport. Omuguswa dig the rubbles to find our brother and any other person trapped. So nobody is interested in conflicting. Now the boy no ye ma ye mubi no and I say or said he was seeing ye mubi no. You will only be happy that he's rescued. So this is the whole thing. The club has conflicted the whole situation.
Yeah, no, ye nipa bia. Hwe ye kasa nipa animado ye ya ne yamu ya untimi yi obi enja Atsu. Atsu na timi ko prisons. Atsu timi ko ekotuetu esa kanyina timi di nipa be 10, 20, 15 no yi sa prisoners no. Otimi ko hospitals na awofo ewo ho emma batan ewo ho a omu ni se mo awo wi omu ni sika entimi mfa enyi omu enfi sa hospital no. Atsu timi tua ka eyi omu nyina obu ha yare ye ne surgery opesika sei amount sei Atsu timi ko tua eyi like guy no kasa adoye a oye no erade hwesa na adoye no so na be bibiro wo bia na timi save no Atsu no one of the Ghanaian players onima adoye ye na oti adoye ase pa.
And okay, you're finding no, mostly I'm finding no. The club now say you're finding no. Who else has first-hand information than official? Some say I'm trying official as well. The omo na be conflicting tina BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, Obia kana no atumbo hono because say Obia say I'm trying Fabrizio Romano.
Yes.
Fabrizio Romano came
posted it
to confirm say Atsu has been found. And so nobody is interested in that.
Yeah.
Nobody is interested. We are only interested in helping pray and pioneer and save your brother Atsu. Now apart from that, your mom pay man no, ne family, ne mame, abrewa, ne yire ne ma, any nipa Atsu, show more my way mono. Nipa or show mono. Yanka on Pekasantino. Yankan Sembebre. But Nana are all grounds for family are more Ghana. Nema are more Portugal. Nyame and show in United. And I know it's a miracle. We say Black Star player beer or no Bekasa beer. When say players no cry, no movie a try. Oba won TB beer. When I me show. Now so Mr. Mete some mom say oh the OTB beer. Now I'm my home. Now me say but the corner there mpaiboni here. Almost say they're one of the strongest persons in the Black Star in terms of mentality.
Yeah.
Boy no where attack and then the near thing. And no matter where he finds himself, he will come back. That's what we believe. So this is the whole situation why people have kept mute until they have seen Atsu ne picture say you know. That's what we're looking for. May God be with him wherever he is.
Amen.
Enti ebusian for send ensem no update fresh update our hono no enti say when you subscribe to the channel but when you subscribe now the notification bell no so at on it baby biara wo bia no ye de bibia to channel no so pay say pe so won sa ebeka na otimi ebeka ebusian no ho samle yera wase say woni etra na o hwe bibia man ekoyie and that's ne